fuck.
Hey guys, it's Chris. For this video, gonna be talking about this seagull right here, guys. Man, this seagull bite the man, dude.
Hey, you little bastard.
Oh boy.
Sorry.
I laughed so hard on this, you know.
Yeah, no.
But yeah, guys, you know, for this video, just to let you know, guys, I'm gonna tame a bird, man. Just like how he did it, I'm gonna do the same thing as well.
Wingman.
Look at that, man. A seagull, bro. It's kind of nice to have a seagull companion, or any bird companion in general. And yeah, guys, just to let you know, I am gonna be taming a bird. Yeah, it's quite exciting, man. I can't wait. I could literally have my, for example, seagull sleep in my bed, man. Yeah. And I'm gonna call him Bagel. Or Wiggle. Yeah, that's, if I ever tame a bird like that, guys, I'm gonna name either Wiggle or Bagel. Maybe Wiggle. Wiggle is a cool nickname for a bird. But yeah, anyways. Yeah. It's quite exciting. So until then, see you guys and peace out. Yep, just let you know.